welcome to a Fabletics unbagging. I was assuming it was a box, but it was a bag. And I'm pretty excited to check it out. So I hope that you are excited to check it out with me. So I did start this little subscription before the gyms and everything closed because I was working a lot and I was getting the gym a lot. And I was like, I don't have any clothes. Those of y'all that have been with me for a while know that I have a very unique body shape in that I look extremely pregnant, but am not. But I do wear maternity, so, you know, I don't know. So, shall we just get started? I scored these on the 2 for $24 sale. Let's see what else they have in here. They've got coupons, and the little agreement thingy. So I don't know how much of these or how many of these I will continue getting because the gyms are closed and the world is closed. But then again, maybe I want something for around the house to be comfy. I'm going to get the plastic off these. So first off, I got the Trinity high-waisted pocket leggings in a size large. They are normally $79.95. I got them in this beautiful like olivey green. I don't remember what it was called. Let me double check if it says on the tag. No. But I thought they looked really beautiful. I'm hoping that they are still high-waisted on myself. I love this little back pocket. So many of them had this cool like crisscross design in the back, but a lot of them it was open. So this one, it's like mesh and mesh and mesh, but the inner one is a little bit deeper. So I thought that might be neat for holding a phone. And that's really it. There aren't any other pockets on the legs. There's no other details, but they're a nice full length. I am going to see if they will fit me height-wise, because usually when I size up to a large, things tend to be a little long. And then I also got the high-waisted solid Pure Luxe leggings in a size small/6 because they were out of the 8, I think, or did I want the 4 and I had to get the 6? I don't recall. We'll try it regardless. It does say that it's a buttery soft, and it's not. The buttery soft power form is just a slightly softer version, but it's almost a little bit more silky. And this is one of the maternity ones, which is why I got it in a 6. So this is the back. And this is the front. So it does pull up a little bit higher. It's got a little bit more of a dip, and you can see that there's just a little bit of extra room in the front. So I'm going to see how that fits in there. And again, no other extra pockets or anything, though it does have some cute like seam detail going down on the leg. So I'm going to go put these on my body so y'all can see as well. Okay, so here are the size large and straight sizes. They are still a high waist even on my belly. As I move about, there's a little bit of slippage, but not a lot. It does not have an elastic waist, but it is doubled over, so it feels very nice and firm. I think if you didn't have this belly, they'd be quite high. Though the back does dip a little bit where the detail is. And I don't know how you see the lines. Oh, tag is like in there though. Here we go. Okay. Squat test. I'll see it. Let's see. So all in all, they are pretty comfy. They do feel really nice and firm. They were easy to get on. They are a little bit bunched at the bottom, but again, I am also 5'4". So that's not too bad at all. I think if I would continue, I may go with like the 7/8 or maybe even like the capri length. I don't like wearing capris, but sometimes in larger sizes, it's just closer to the size I want to be. So all in all, I'm pretty happy. They are a little bit more rough than I really, really like, but I'm also really used to some super duper soft leggings, but they're very silky on the outside. So I'm pretty darn pleased with them. I'm not certain if I would be pleased if I paid like full price for them, but like 2 for $24, super amped. Membership wise, possibly. I dig them, and I like the color. It's not like in your face green, but y'all know how I like this color palette. So even with my big belly, it doesn't feel squished, but it does feel very supported. And there's a seam here, like right around where I actually have a natural divot, and it doesn't push uncomfortably, you know. I like that a lot. So I'm going to try on the maternity ones next, see how they are similar or different. I was worried at first that they might be a little small, going such a big change in size. But the compression factor on the legs feels so good. The outsides are quite a bit softer, but the inside feels kind of the same. So it's got a little bit of it's not quite itchy or scratchy, but it's a little bit more textured. But it's not bad. The back support is really nice. It's not over compressing, but it is like staying up really well. The belly also does not compress as much, but it does feel a lot more supportive. And I feel like I'm not being smashed. So like there is still, it won't stop you from jiggling a whole lot, but there's not a whole lot of movement. So it kind of keeps you secure. It does fit a lot more snugly, but again, it's like seamed properly, so there's no like awkward like baggy crotch. And lengthwise, there's slightly less bagging, but it is still there. So that seems like it is just a me issue for being a short girl. So if you are a shortish human being, keep in mind that these may be a bit short. That they may be a bit long on you. Again, I am 5'4", so if you are taller than me, these should be a really nice option height-wise. They feel really good. They have a great ability to move and stretch. I don't feel any pulling. None of the seams feel weird. I'm really happy with how they feel, actually, and I love how they look. I feel like they look good on my bum, which makes me happy. So let's squat test them. Whoop. Yeah, I rather like these. I think that's all I got. So I had to re-record my outro because it was lengthy and weird and long, and I just want to let y'all know that I have a code down below so you as well can get the 2 for $24 deal. It is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. Obviously, nothing I do is sponsored because I'm a little micro channel. But if you want to get the deal, go ahead and click it. I believe once you check out, I will get some sort of credity thingy, but not like a dollar amount, like a dollars off my own subscription. So I say that for clarity's sake. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I will update y'all how they wash and wear. So far, I've worn them a couple times. I am also under quarantine at this time, and I am teaching my students from my couch with my darling baby in tow, because daycare is also canceled. So yeah, that's really all I've got. They are super comfy. I've loved them for workouts so far, and I'm really excited to get another month. Really excited. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I hope you are staying healthy and safe, and I love you so much. Bye-bye.